Introducing the 2020 Volvo XC60 T8 twin-end Phev Polstr at 5-door auto in sleek grey. This powerful 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine paired with an automatic transmission makes for a smooth and efficient drive. The Estatejeep body style offers both space and style. Loaded with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and ambient lighting, this Volvo ensures a luxurious driving experience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision alert and lane departure warning among the many security features included. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and servicing to manufacturer specification, this Volvo is ready for the road ahead. Don't miss out on this top-tier vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.